My name is and I'm working in kelicth biotech PLC as a mechanical engineer. Today I'm going to give you some information about air handling units and how it works and main systems. Stay tuned, please, okay? And when we come to air handling units, first air handling unit is a machine that is to control the room temperature regarding to the given values, which is 23 plus or minus 2. When it decreases, it gets 21, and when it's increased, it gets 25. This must be between the range of 21 up to 25. And when we come to the machines, there is two decks as you see here. The first deck is supply one, and the second deck is this one, the return one. The supply one is that the place where it gives the right or the suitable air to the room, or the suitable air with a given temperature, which is 23 plus or minus 2, and most probably it will be like 23, 24, like that. And when we come to this, it says, as you see here, it is a supply, right? The supply means it goes directly to the room, and as you see here, it says this one, return, and the return means it will collect the air from the space, and it will give it to this return deck. This return deck has, as you see here, it says pre-filter, and it will pass through this pre-filter, and it will goes to the, there is here heat bankers. This heater bank used to heat the air. If it is very low, it will heat it, and it will give it directly to the fine filter. Here you can see the fine filter here. The fine filter used for decreasing the air particles to the 0.3 microns, which means it will make the air particles less. I mean, it will decrease the bacteria, and it will give it directly to the supply, which means to the room. Okay. Tomorrow I will show you, or I will give you more details how it works, the motors and the filters. I will show you that. Now let's go to the panel. The panel is the place where it will be controlled. Okay, follow me, stay tuned. Okay, let's come to the panel. As you see here, it says AHU 19. This machine called AHU, it has its own nameplate, and it is AHU 19, which is designed for the QC area. I will show you that while I will show you this in some of time. Okay. Okay, let's come to this. This panel will show you the HVAC system. HVAC means heat ventilation air conditioning system, and it says here, as you see here, it says AHU VFD frequency. VFD frequency means it is the frequency which the motor runs, the speed. Okay, and we give it like 40.0 Hz. 40.0 Hz means the frequency or the speed of the motor is what? 40. And you can see here temperature ADP, return temperature, humidity. Temperature ADP means 23.5. We give it here 23.5, which means the temperature which goes to the room must be 23.5. It doesn't have to get above 23.5. Okay. Here you can see here AHU on, AHU off, AHU 3. AHU on means now the motor is running. Okay. And AHU off means when the motor is off, this will give us a green sign, which means the air handling unit machine is off. Here you can use it by two modes. You can use it auto mode or manual mode. Auto mode means once you set to the auto mode, it will start automatically, which means this condenser unit, this heater unit will automatically work without any manual works means. Okay, this is the smallest description, and like it. If you just like this one, I will continue describing how these machines work. I'll give you more information about this, and stay tuned. Bravo. Bye bye. Ciao.